Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Thank you for stopping by. I love it when you stop by and allow me into your homes or your office or wherever you may be. All right, I have a few whips I wanted to show you, and we're going to start with this one right here. Okay, that wasn't my whip. Okay, you may remember that I was working on Teresa's design here. It is a top, and she's with Craving Crochet. I will put everybody's link below that I talk about, like I always do. Anytime I mention a channel, I will link the channel or a specific video. So all I need to do actually is sew the sides together, and I still haven't gotten to it, but that's what I need to do. See this beautiful stitch? It's so easy and it's fun to do. And the yarn I was using for this is the Karen Cotton Ripple Cakes, and this is the first time I've used it, and I really like it. I really do like it. It's 3-weight, 100% cotton, 240 grams, 491 yards, and I used one ball, and then I had to get into the second ball just a little bit, and I need the second ball to hem up the sides. So I'll just be using a tiny bit of it. And this colorway is Breezy Blue. I really like this yarn. Alright, so that was Teresa's top. And the next thing I'm working on are washcloths. And these are for the organization called Wings. It's a domestic violence organization that helps women and children, you know, get out of those situations. And Rose from Rose Likes Crochet. Oh, hi Teresa, I forgot to say hi. Hi Teresa, hi Rose. She collects different things each month to donate to that worthy organization. And so for October, it's washcloths. She would like you to send them to her in September so she can get them to them by October. So I'm working on washcloths. So I got several done, and this stitch is just it's single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and then you alternate the next row. You put the double crochet and the single crochet, and etc., etc. I actually have a tutorial on my channel for this. I will put that link below. But so that's the green one I made. I feel like I'm a mile away here. And then I made this dark purple one. I think I used the same stitch for all of them so far. Then I have a light pink one. And I made these fairly big because I like them to be big to start with, because they will shrink in the wash. Let me tell you. I think they're around 9 by 9 or something. Yeah, around 9 by 9. It's funny how you measure something and then you measure it later. It's like, holy, where'd that ½ inch go? I know it was bigger. It's just the way it happens. So that was the pink one. And then I made a blue one. And then I made a darker pink. And then I made this aqua or teal blue. Yeah, and the yarn I'm using for these, and I have these two colors left, a red and then like a burgundy. This is Promo Fill, it's called. It says it's cotton blend, but doesn't say what it's blended with. So, doesn't say a lot on here. I got these at our Dollarama for $1.25 each. They're 70 grams. It doesn't tell you how much yardage is in each one, but it's enough to make one large washcloth, and then there's some extra left over. And what else was made in Canada? Yeah, by Crafts. Yeah, so the leftover yarn from each one, let's see, I'm also making washcloths. And what I'm doing is, okay, the leftovers from this pink and the purple and the green one, I'm putting them together to do a round washcloth. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to use up as much of this yarn as I can. I don't want to waste any of it. So yeah, these are the two colors I said I had left to work with, and then the extras, which are all in this this bag here, right here. And then I had extras from another one, a colorful one that I made dishcloths and a towel with. I do have a tutorial on that one too, which I'll link below as well. And because it's a different stitch. Yeah, so that's that. And then I'm also working on a tutorial for a summer top, and I've never had so much trouble with doing a tutorial. I mean, they're a lot of work, and you know, you have to videotape in clips whenever there's something new that you're doing on your design. You have to, of course, videotape that and make sure that it's clear so that everyone can understand and all this stuff. And I videotaped a whole bunch of little clips, and then when I went to continue on with the top, I thought, oh my goodness, I made an error. It's not working out. Oh my goodness. And I ended up, I guess I got frustrated and I just frogged the whole thing, deleted all those little clips, started over in a different design, and oh my goodness. Okay, so it's gonna be a while before I get that out. Oh my goodness. And I've never had such a problem. Anyway, all right, next WIP. Next WIP. All right, so I'm working on Pamela. Hi, Pamela. I'm not working on Pamela. I'm working on a tutorial by Pamela's Adoring Crochet, and I'll link her design below, her tutorial. It's a beautiful cardigan, and I was going to use a different yarn, but I changed the yarns and decided to use this. The other was kind of a peachy color. This one is like a jeans color, dark jeans. And this is her stitching here. This is beautiful, and so it's going to be airy. It's going to be comfortable for summertime. And yeah, so you have to make a lot of rows. So what I did was, let's see here. So I started counting my rows. I want to make about the same number of rows that she did. And so I kept having to count them and count them and count them. So I ended up marking every 10th row with a stitch marker. So now I just have to count the stitch markers. 10, 20, 30, 40, you know. We learn as we go, people. All right, so the yarn that I'm using for this is called, it's from Spindle Yarns, and it's called Simply Denim. And this is the yarn. It's got little lines of light blue in it, almost a whitish at some points. And it's mainly a dark blue. And this is a medium 4. 100% acrylic. There's 219 yards in one. True denim is the color. Now I got this and I did a yarn haul on this. I'll link that below as well. And it was from a company in Canada here called Fabricland, I believe. And did you see the price? $12.69. But I got a whole bunch of yarn for half price. Some was even more than half price off. So yeah, I really lucked out when I went there. So this was $6 something. This is Canadian. We'll say around $6. So I had bought 5 skeins of these. And let's see, I'm only on my 2nd skein. I just got into it. Yeah, for this cardigan. So it's so soft. Oh my goodness, it is soft. Yes, it's gonna be great. Great as a cardigan. So, what else do I have to tell you? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. While you're enjoying watching this video, I'm gonna be outside doing the yard work. We just had May long weekend here in Canada, and we celebrate Queen Victoria's birthday around May 24th, so whatever weekend it lands on that's closest to May 24th. And this happened to land on Monday, May 24th, so that was the long weekend that we had. It always rains, always cold, windy, whatever, that weekend. Except I think last year was nice because for some reason it was the weekend before. So, yeah. So you can pretty much count on, though, a crappy weekend for May long weekend. So now the weather has smartened up. This is Thursday. I don't know what the date is, but this is Thursday, and it's smartened up a lot. It's not cloudy. It's not raining. The sun is shining. It's been shining for a couple of days. Monday, actually, Saturday and Sunday were kind of crappy. Monday was beautiful. The holiday Monday was beautiful, summer-like. Next day, winter coat. Oh well. So anyway, I got to do the lawn. I got to pull weeds. I got to cut the grass. I got to do all kinds of things. So that's what I'm going to do this afternoon while you're enjoying my video. And tell me what you're working on. Are you guys making anything to donate to Wings through Rose Likes Crochet? I thought this was, you know, a really nice project to do, and I had bought all this yarn from Dollarama. So instead of making myself all bunch of colorful washcloths, I'm just making them for Wings. I mean, they need them more than I do. So that's what I'm doing. And it feels good to donate. So I'm going to make them a bunch more, and then I'm going to send them to Rose in September. Beginning of September. I'm in Canada. She's in Chicago area, so you know, I've got to make sure it's going to get there by October, so she can donate them. Yeah, it just feels good. Feels good to do things for other people. So what else? Who's working on Pamela's cardigan, and who's working on Teresa's top? Yeah, this is, I think I might have made it too small for myself though, so I'm gonna see. I could add, you could always add, like you could just do more rows on each side if you need to. So we'll see what I'm gonna do. All right, so I guess that's about it. That's about it. Just looking at my kitty cats. They're always around me. They always follow me everywhere in the house. Okay, so, and they're doing well. Yes, Huggles and Minnie are their names. They're doing well. So I thank God for that. Hubby hurt his knee. I know, his shoulder is back, now his knee. It might be a torn muscle. So please pray for him. That's why I'm telling you about it. Please pray for him. And God bless you all, and thank you so much for joining me today. And have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. All right. Bye for now.